What's up, y'all? My name is Jenny. I am a registered dietitian at Phorm, and today we are going to be making a healthy buffalo chicken pizza. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment below any recipes you want to see, and let's get to cooking. Okay, first we're going to go ahead and make the pizza dough. So we're going to use a half a cup of self-rising flour. And now we're going to add a half a cup of plain Greek yogurt. Now that we have those both in there, we're gonna stir it up. So as you can see, as I'm stirring, it's collecting a ton on the spoon. So using something like one of these spatulas might be a little bit easier and it won't stick on there as much. There we go, that's better. Now that we have our ball of dough, I'm gonna go ahead and put some flour here. And then we're gonna roll this out into the shape that we want it. I'm gonna put a little flour on the top of this as well, not too much, just a tad. Take our rolling pin and go ahead and roll that out to the shape that we want it to be. So as you're rolling this out, you may need to flip it over and just make sure that it's not sticking to the surface so that you can get the shape that you want for your pizza. All right, so now I'm transferring it to the sheet pan. As you can see, it's very thin, so it's kind of, I'm just folding it in half and then gonna fold it onto the sheet pan like this. All right. Okay, now that we have our pizza formed the way that we like it, we're going to go ahead and put it in the oven for 8 minutes at 425. Okay, so now we're gonna make the sauce. The wonderful thing about this recipe is that you can be super versatile as far as what flavorings you want to use. So today we're doing buffalo, but you can do barbecue, you can do ranch, you can do Alfredo, whatever you like to customize for your taste. So we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of the buffalo sauce. Fourth a cup of the Greek yogurt here. Stir this up. We're gonna go ahead and do the topping. So we got our sauce here, we got the chicken weighed out here, 4 ounces of chicken, and then a cup of fat-free cheese. So first I'm going to go ahead and put the sauce down an even layer on the pizza. Awesome, now that we have the sauce on here in an even layer, I'm gonna go ahead and add half of my cheese, and then I'm gonna add the chicken and then the other half of the cheese. I'm gonna go ahead and add the other half of the cheese here. So now we're gonna pop it in the oven again so the toppings all melt together and then the dough cooks all the way through. Just took this out of the oven. It looks and smells absolutely amazing. We'll stick the macros here below for you guys. I hope you all enjoyed this buffalo chicken pizza. Thank you for watching and we'll see you next time.